Hey guys, TechMayor here. Today we'll be talking about one of the most power-packed laptops I have ever seen. Though this laptop is not made this way by the company, but there's a twist to it. If you've not subscribed, kindly do so, as this goes a long way to help the channel grow. And if you wish to support this channel, help me make better content for you, the link to my Patreon account is down in the description box below. This is the MSI Leopard 8RE Stealth Pro Workstation Edition. While this looks like the 7RF Stealth Pro, the motherboard on this is actually Leopard 8RE. What I want to share with you guys is how the merge of these two components have turned out so far with editing, gaming, and modeling 3D images and animation. The processor on this unit is Core i7 7th Gen with 2 GPU, the NVIDIA RTX 2080 Ti Max-Q and the GTX 1060. Base speed on this laptop is 3.6. If you wish to overclock, you get 5.0. You have 32GB RAM on this unit, all of this in a laptop which is not really bulky and is about the same size as some regular laptops. It is easy to carry around. I like the choice of material beneath the laptop. This is actually a suede material, helps prevent direct heat if you have this laptop on your laps. The aluminum chassis helps distribute the heat evenly instead of absorbing the heat or sometimes melt as regular plastic would. So if you ever face with the dilemma of picking from two great laptops, one metallic, one plastic chassis, I'd advise you to pick the metallic chassis any day. And as a video editor, basically YouTube, I enjoy the display on this laptop. You also get great viewing angles on the 15.7-inch screen. I will give you the MSI a pass on sound because the fans are really closer to the speakers, so you don't really expect, or you shouldn't expect, quality sound from this laptop. The MSI Leopard 8RE has the MSI Dragon Center 2.0 pre-installed, and with that there are lots of things you can play around, like component loading mode, and also free up space as much as you want. There you can also change the color of the RGB light on the keypad to suit your taste or probably your mood. As far as I/O, that's the input and output, we have graphics card display ports, 4 3.0 USB-A ports, 1 Type C port, that's the Thunderbolt port, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a microphone jack as well, an SD card slot, that's the big one, the HDMI and power outlet. Battery on this is not really specified, but you could get up to 4 or 7 hours depending on what you're doing. Also, it is certified by Readers Club, so you're definitely sure to get a reasonable amount of battery life from this device. It is advisable not to depend on the battery. Plug this into a power outlet if you're doing anything GPU related on the 8RE. But what does a laptop like this mean for me as a video editor and a lover of heavy games like Forza and Call of Duty, or you who have a GPU related tasks like gaming, editing, 3D modeling or animation, or maybe something else? Well, first, this laptop has a great performance, and two, you can carry it around without worrying about the weight or the boxy look. Heavy GPU tasks run amazingly well on this laptop and there has been no complaint or whatsoever. I love the performance this delivers and would recommend both the 7RF and the 8RE, or both together joined like we have here. This is great for gaming, editing and anything CGI related. Imagine you drive a Passat and you just bought a BMW. Yes, that's the feeling. Great build quality, check. Heat maintenance, check. Annoyingly nice keyboards, check. Outstanding performance, triple check. This laptop checks all the box of why I think we should have laptops with modular parts, where you don't have to buy new laptops every year. You could just swap in parts easily without going to the repair guy to change your RAM or upgrade your RAM. I think we should have more modular laptops, cheaper modular laptops. I'm not saying there isn't one out there, there is. What if we have something where we can change or swap out the parts, maybe upgrade the RAM, maybe a new processor, you could just swap that in. An example is how Apple is planning to remove the earphone and the charger from their new device. I think this is a great idea because according to statistics, gadgets, electronics waste are beginning to pile up more and more every year. If you're a video editor, graphics designer, or you do anything GPU related, or you just love GPUs, this is a good buy. Link to buy this is in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment. And as always, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.